Alright, so this part two to it. I want to show y'all how it actually really looked for real, for real. You know what I'm saying? But you got this right here. It's pretty big. It's like a whole circle, but like it circles the whole thing. You know what I'm saying? But I've been walking here for the last few days. I wanted to fucking have it to my damn self before I shared it with y'all last, because I was like, I don't want y'all last to accidentally come around this bitch, fuck up my piece, nigga. But yeah, here it go right here, y'all. They got the trees out here. They got the birds, nigga, duckies and shit. And this right here, the final take. Look at this shit, nigga. Look how beautiful that shit is, nigga. Purdy, ain't it? Purdy, ain't it? I know.